Hi friends, welcome back to Quiz Sherlock. Today we have 30 questions about nature. Before starting, please subscribe Quiz Sherlock channel for more exciting quizzes. Which one is taller? Mauna Kea or Mount Everest? Which one is deeper? Mariana Trench or Tonga Trench? It's very cool. Which one is hotter? Death Valley or Sahara Desert? Which continent is bigger? Africa or Asia? Come on, guess. Which river is longer? Nile River or Amazon River? Which one is colder? Arctic or Antarctica? Make your choice. Which river is older? Amazon rainforest or Great Barrier Reef? Which one is more populous? India or China? Can you guess? Which country is more forested? Russia or Brazil? Which desert is larger? Sahara Desert or Arabian Desert? Come on, my friend. Which one is more volcanic? Hawaii or Iceland? Which one is more windier? Patagonia or Siberia? What's your choice? Which one is more populous? New York City or Tokyo? Which one has more lakes? Canada or Finland? It's a hard choice. Which one has more volcanoes? Indonesia or Japan? Which one has more glaciers? Patagonia or Alaska? Send me your choice in the comments. Which one is bigger? Hudson Bay or Gulf of Mexico? Which one is more biodiverse? Madagascar or Galapagos? Come on, time is over. Which one is colder? Greenland or Iceland? Which one is larger? Lake Baikal or Caspian Sea? Oh my god, it's too hard. Which one is more prone to earthquakes? Japan or California? Which one has a larger desert area? Saudi Arabia or Australia? Which one has more national parks? Canada or USA? Which one has a longer coastline? Canada or Australia? What's your choice? Which one is colder? Siberia or Antarctica? Which one has more coral reefs? Philippines or Australia? Please don't forget like and subscribe. Which one has more species of birds? Colombia or Peru? Which one has polar bears? Antarctica or Arctic? Make your choice. Which one has a higher population? Nigeria or Brazil? Which one has a larger river basin? Congo River or Amazon River? Thanks for watching. You can watch our other videos on the Sherlock Quiz channel.